nice place here, very nice. Is there any reason for me to talk while I'm here, lonely on my walk? Well, yes, I keep on walking for you, my dear friends. Give me a helping hand with my natural clips, just to enjoy my digital journey. Hope you enjoy it too. Come on, join me, follow me. Very nice. As you can see here, it's coming autumn, the fall. In a few months, weeks, we will have winter here. But it's very nice, so I keep on walking through nature. Doesn't matter if it's spring, summer, fall or winter. I keep on walking and filming just to show you my impressions I got in nature. Oh yes. Very nice, very nice. Breathe in, breathe out. Fantastic. As you can see, the leaves are turning into several colors. Not only green anymore, yellow, red, brown. It's fall now here. Very nice, very nice. I keep walking. Somebody won't believe it, but I keep walking. Just for you, my friends. Explore the fascinating beauty of nature.